AI is reshaping how we do business online, and if you're not tapping into this opportunity, you're leaving money on the table. Whether you're a total beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, today's video is going to give you the lowdown on some of the best AI tools that can help you build passive income streams more effortlessly. Stay tuned until the end because these tools can literally change how you make money online, and you'll be kicking yourself if you miss out on this. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into it. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is chatbots for customer support and sales. AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat or ChatGPT integrations can handle customer inquiries 24/7, making them invaluable for automating customer support. By offering immediate answers, they improve user experience and free you up to focus on scaling your business. Plus, chatbots can collect leads and even close sales on autopilot. For example, you can integrate a chatbot into your e-commerce website that answers common questions like shipping details or product specifications, while also promoting your very latest offers. You're not only saving time, but you're also creating an efficient system that works for you while you sleep. Now combine this with an automated email follow-up sequence and you've got a smooth running system. If someone asks about pricing and doesn't convert right away, your chatbot can add them to an email list for future promotions, maximizing your chances of closing a sale. Let's move on to tip number 2, which is AI-powered content creation tools. AI content generators like Jasper AI or Copy.ai can help you create blog posts, product descriptions, and even social media content within minutes. These tools save you hours of writing and brainstorming, allowing you to churn out high-quality content that attracts traffic and converts readers into buyers. For instance, you can use Jasper AI to produce SEO optimized blog articles on a trending topic in your niche. Once you post these articles on your websites, they can continuously bring in traffic through search engines like Google, leading to more affiliate clicks or sales over time. This is a prime example of setting up a passive income stream. Additionally, you can use AI content tools to write scripts for YouTube videos or podcasts. This can help you grow your online presence faster, build authority in your niche, and drive even more traffic to your offers with very minimal effort. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is AI for social media automation. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer now have AI capabilities that allow you to schedule, optimize, and even generate social media posts automatically. This means you can engage your audience without having to manually post content every day, freeing up your time for other aspects of your online business. Imagine scheduling a month's worth of Instagram posts in just one afternoon, with the captions, hashtags, and posting times all optimized by AI. This type of automation keeps your social media presence active and growing, which can lead to more sales and traffic back to your website, where passive income streams are set up. Let me give you an example. If you're promoting an online course, you could have AI-generated posts promoting different modules of the course across multiple platforms without lifting a finger after the setup. This type of consistency can boost your sales without much effort from you. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is AI-powered affiliate marketing tools. Platforms like Refusion or Post Affiliate Pro use AI to track, manage, and optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns. They can recommend the best affiliate partners, automate payouts, and track performance, allowing you to grow your passive income without micromanaging each campaign. For example, if you run a blog or website that recommends products, you can use tools to automatically find high converting products based on AI recommendations. Once you set this up, your affiliate links can generate commissions passively as people click and purchase from your site. These tools also ensure you're working with the highest performing affiliates, increasing your chances of making more sales. As the AI tracks trends and adjusts your campaign strategies, your passive income potential increases significantly over time. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is AI for online course creation. AI platforms like Thinkific and Teachable now offer AI-driven suggestions for course structures, lesson planning, and even student engagement tactics. This makes creating and running an online course more efficient than ever, allowing you to generate recurring income through course sales. Imagine using AI to identify the most in-demand topics within your niche. You can then quickly create a course that aligns with these topics, knowing that there's an existing market already ready to purchase. Once the course is built, it can be sold over and over again with little to no further work on your end. You can also use AI to monitor student progress and send automated follow-up messages or additional resources to improve retention and upsell advanced courses. This keeps your students engaged and increases the chances of repeat sales. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is AI tools for SEO optimization. Surfer SEO and Phrase are AI tools that help you optimize your website content for search engines, helping to drive more organic traffic. More traffic means more potential sales or affiliate clicks, which translates into passive income. Let's say you're running a blog that promotes affiliate products. By using these AI SEO tools, you can ensure your articles rank higher in search results for key terms your audience is searching for. Once you're ranked, these articles can keep bringing in organic traffic and affiliate commissions without you having to do anything else. Additionally, AI tools can continuously update and optimize your existing content based on new SEO trends, keeping your passive income flowing without you having to consistently check and update everything manually. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is AI-driven email marketing automation. AI tools like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp use machine learning to automate and optimize your email campaigns. They can predict the best times to send emails, personalize subject lines, and even recommend product offers based on past behaviors, increasing the likelihood of more conversions. For example, if someone signs up for your newsletter and then views a specific product on your website, AI can automatically send a follow-up email recommending that product with a discount offer. This can turn an interested visitor into a paying customer, passively generating more income for you. Additionally, AI can segment your audience better than traditional methods, allowing you to send highly targeted emails that are more likely to convert. This automation saves you time while increasing your revenue. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is AI-powered investment and financial tools. AI-powered investment platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment allow you to invest money with minimal input. These tools use algorithms to manage your portfolio, optimize asset allocations, and even make trades based on market conditions, helping you grow passive income through investments. For instance, by investing in a diversified portfolio managed by AI, your money can work for you without you needing to actively trade or manage your investments. Over time, as your investments grow, they provide a steady stream of passive income that compounds without much effort on your part. These platforms also allow you to set automatic contributions from your income, meaning you're consistently building your wealth passively while focusing on other aspects of your online business. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is AI-powered video creation tools. AI video creation tools like Pictory or Lumen 5 allow you to generate engaging video content quickly and easily by converting text into videos or creating professional-looking videos from templates. These tools enable you to create marketing videos, product demos, or even educational content without needing advanced editing skills. For example, if you're running a blog or a website, you can turn your written content into shareable videos using AI. These videos can then be uploaded to YouTube or embedded in your website, bringing in passive income through ad revenue, affiliate links, or course promotions. Additionally, video content is favored by algorithms on social media platforms, meaning these AI-generated videos can help increase your visibility, boost traffic, and generate more leads, all contributing to your passive income streams with minimal effort from you. If you're serious about building passive income streams, these AI tools can be a game changer for you. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're great for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.